Mesdames et messieurs, encore une fois, on a rappelé que nous backstage dans Haitian Movie Awards, côté nous recevoir nominé, nous recevoir winner. Et jeudi là, et nous gagnons un monde qui vient recevoir Best Actress, et qui c'est Patricia Rhinvil, qui parle là, donc nous gagnons avec nous.
Kelson Raymond
qui vient recevoir et award ça non Patricia. Est-ce qu'on peut parler un peu de Patricia?
Mais oui. Patricia, c'est une actrice haïtienne. Nom c'est Kelson Raymond, c'est producteur film Forever Yours là. Et Patricia, elle n'est pas de venir parce que they get mauvais weather in New York, so they have to cancel her flight. But Patricia has been in the Haitian community for a while. She's a great actress, and she really deserved it. Congratulations, Patricia.
So tell us a little bit about the movie that she played.
Absolutely. The movie she plays is called Forever Yours. It's actually finding love at the wrong time, sometimes at the right time. She's a lead actress. She put a lot of effort into putting her best work forward so that she can win this award tonight.
Amazing. Well, congratulations to her. Congratulations to you too, because if she's winning, you winning.
Absolutely.
You know, it's a whole team effort, and I appreciate that.
Director Patrick Rhinvil and all the other people who put effort into this movie. Congratulations.
Awesome, Patricia. If you're watching, congratulations, and I'm pretty sure you will see this video, and then it's a good project, and we would love to have you, but the weather's acting up. Mother Nature does her own thing, and we can't stop that.
Exactly.
Thank you for being with us.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot.
Right, thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're backstage. We're seeing all the winners on the Haitian Movie Awards. It's your boy, Sinners Boston. Peace.